In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your purchase power on Klarna. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Now, checking your purchase power can be done using the latest version of the Klarna mobile app. There are actually a couple of ways to do this. For example, one way is to generate a one-time card and simply try entering a large amount. If Klarna doesn't allow it, it will automatically tell you your current purchase power limit. However, the most straightforward and accurate method is by checking it directly in the Klarna app. So here's what you need to do. First, open your Klarna mobile app. Once you have it open, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the U icon. You can find it at the bottom right-hand corner. Tapping this icon takes you to your account page. When you arrive at your account page, you'll see your purchase power displayed right at the top of the screen. It's usually next to your Klarna points. That's all you have to do. Your purchase power should appear right there, showing exactly how much you can currently spend through Klarna. Now, a quick disclaimer. If you can't see your purchase power, it might be due to a few reasons. Your account might still be new, and maybe you haven't started using Klarna yet. Sometimes Klarna could still be reviewing or analyzing your account. There are occasions when the feature is just temporarily unavailable for some users. If that's the case, there's really nothing you can do from your side. You'll have to wait until Klarna updates or restores the feature for your account. Like I mentioned earlier, if you ever need a quick workaround, you can try creating a one-time card and entering different amounts. Klarna will show you the maximum you're allowed to spend, which also reflects your purchase power. But overall, the best and most up-to-date way is to go directly to your account page in the Klarna app and check it there. It will always reflect your current spending limit across stores that support Klarna. And that's it. That's how you check your purchase power on Klarna. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy Klarna tutorials. Thanks for watching.